Did you know there is a mysterious island in the middle of the Pacific Ocean where scientists claim time behaves strangely? Imagine a place where your watch suddenly stops ticking and your phone's compass goes haywire, spinning uncontrollably. It's not just technology that gets confused. Even the animals that live nearby seem to act differently, almost as if they can sense something is off. Local legends say this island was formed thousands of years ago when a massive meteor crashed into the sea. They believe the meteor left behind a core of powerful magnetic rocks, creating a strange energy field that distorts everything around it. Is it a natural anomaly, an undiscovered scientific phenomenon, or something else entirely? Scientists are still trying to unravel the island's secrets, but for now it remains a puzzle. It is a powerful reminder that our world is still full of incredible wonders and unsolved mysteries waiting to be explored. If you love discovering the unknown, make sure to subscribe to Hidden Legends for more amazing stories from every corner of the globe.